Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Kadla curry. Kadla curry is nothing but brown chickpeas or kala chana which is boiled and cooked in an awesome South Indian gravy. This kadla curry goes really well with a lot of South Indian dishes. Let's check out how to make kadla curry. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon to get notifications from us. To make kadla curry, we have taken 1.5 cups of kala chana or brown chickpeas which we have soaked in water for about 8 hours. And then in a pressure cooker, let's add these chickpeas and add some salt and 4 cups of water and pressure cook these for about 5 to 6 whistles or until soft. While this is pressure cooking, here we have taken some other ingredients. So we have taken half a cup of coconut oil, and along with that 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania seeds and 2 tablespoons of imli or tamarind. Along with that, some dry garam masala ingredients. So this is 1 dalchini or cinnamon, 2 cloves or lavang and 3 cardamom or elaichi. We also have red chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala powder, but we are not going to grind these right now. Here we have taken 1 tablespoon of garlic cloves or lasoon and some curry leaves, and this is coconut, grated coconut. This is half a cup, and 1 inch piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. The ginger has been peeled and washed. We also have half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, but we are not going to roast these right now. Here we have 1/4 cup of thinly sliced coconut pieces and about 7 shallots or sambar onions. These are the onions we generally add in sambar. These have to be separately sauteed and added as garnish in the end to the kadla curry. So here we have heated about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now let's add the dhania or coriander seeds to these. Let's add the tamarind or imli and the dry garam masala ingredients. This is cinnamon or dalchini, elaichi and lavang. Let's saute these for a bit. Once these have sauteed, let's add the grated coconut to this. Let's mix it in. Now we'll add other ingredients. So we have kadhi patta or curry leaves, garlic pods or lasoon, green chilies and ginger. Let's mix this on a very low flame. We just want the coconut to be brown slightly. It has to change color a little bit, but not too much. We have to take care not to burn the masala. So once the coconut has been browned, and you can see that it is brown now, we can switch off the flame. And now we need to add the other masalas to it. So we have turmeric powder, some red chili powder and garam masala powder. Remember to add these masalas after switching off the flame, not before that, because there's a chance that they might burn. Now we've cooled this mixture completely, and once it's completely cooled, we have dropped it into a mixer jar. But before grinding it, let's set it aside for a minute and check the chickpeas or kala chana that had been cooking. So we have allowed the kala chana to cook for 5 to 6 whistles. You can see how nice and soft they have turned out. When you press them with a finger, they immediately get mashed. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now we took some of the water in which the chickpeas had been cooking and poured it onto the ground masala in order to make this ground paste. So you can see how nice this paste has turned out to be. Let's set it aside for now. Now let's heat some coconut oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, let's add mustard seeds or rye. The rye has begun to splutter. Now let's add the finely chopped onions. We need to saute these onions until they turn slightly pink. And then let's add the kadhi patta or curry leaves. The onions have now slightly changed color. They have turned translucent and pink. At this point, we'll add in the diced tomatoes. Mix it well. We have to cook the tomatoes until they are soft and mushy. So we are going to stir this for about 2 to 3 minutes, but before that let's add in some salt to taste. Now let's mix the salt in and continue to stir and allow the tomatoes to cook. The tomatoes have now turned soft. Let's add in the prepared paste to this. In goes the paste. Let's stir this in. And now to the mixer, we have added some of the water in which the chickpeas were boiled. This is so that no masala goes waste and the entire mixer is cleared. This is a foolproof method to ensure that nothing goes waste. Now let's add the chickpeas or kadala along with the water in which it had been cooked. Add this in, give it a stir, and we have to wait for this to come to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, we can switch off the flame. Now let's heat a small skillet and add coconut oil to it. This entire recipe is made in coconut oil. We have added the sambar onions or shallots. Coconut oil gives a very nice flavor to a South Indian dish. The shallots have nicely browned. Let's add this over our prepared kadala curry. This is a wonderful tempering. Now we've again heated our favorite oil, coconut oil, on another skillet, and we've added the sliced coconut pieces onto it. Again, we need to brown these as well. The coconut pieces have now browned. And it's time to add them over our kadala curry. Mix it in. And this awesome kadala curry is all ready to serve. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. This kadala curry makes a lovely combination with a lot of South Indian dishes including appam, puttu, neer dosa, with which we are going to serve it today, or sevai. We really hope you like this recipe of Kerala kadala curry and do try it out, give us a feedback. Thanks a lot.